Buongiorno.
Hi.
Hi. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Cognitive biologist Dr. Irene Pepperberg worked with Alex, an African gray parrot, on a project that showed some surprising results.
Now once more, how many green wooden block? How many green wooden?
4.
Good, birdie. On the tray, what sound is yellow? What sound is yellow?
4.
Or, very good.
Many parrots can talk, but Alex amazed scientists. Why? Alex knew what he was talking about. Pepperberg designed special tests for Alex because she did not want him to simply repeat or mimic information. She wanted him to answer specific questions.
He can tell me how many. He can tell me what's same, what's different, what color bigger, what color smaller, or what matter bigger, or what matter smaller. How many?
2.
2 is right. Good boy. What color bigger? What color bigger? None. Very good. Okay, good boy.
Treat.
Yeah. You want some?
Alex was able to identify an object many ways, by color, size, and so on. This shows cognitive abilities similar to those of 4 to 5-year-old humans.
Green.
4.
That's right. Good boy. Good boy.
Alex showed that parrots might be able to communicate and to use basic reasoning. Alex died in 2007. During his life, he learned about 150 words. His last words to Irene were reportedly, "I love you."